Respected sir and madam, and my dear friends, a present good morning to one and all. Myself K. Charantesh Roy. I am pursuing 10th grade at Lokshit tutorial. Today I want to present interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I want to say complete seminar about transportation in life process. Do you know what is transportation? Yes, transportation means the process of transferring things one place to another place is known as transportation. Do you know how the transportation will occur in our body? Yes, the transportation will occur in our body with the help of blood. Do you know what is there in our blood? Yes, in our blood the plasma is there. Do you know what is plasma? The plasma contains water. It develops the immunity level. Through the blood, the energy which was obtained from oxygen and food will be traveled to our body parts. This is known as transportation. Do you know how many types of blood capillaries are there in our body? There are two types. One is arteries, another one is veins. Do you know which type of blood is carried by arteries? Yes, the oxygenated blood is carried by our arteries. Do you know which type of blood was carried by veins? Yes, the deoxygenated blood was carried by veins. In this manner, the pulmonary artery is there. It carries deoxygenated blood. And another manner, the pulmonary vein is there. It carries oxygenated blood to heart. The pumping of blood will take place in heart. This whole process will occur in the heart. The heart was divided into 4 chambers. Shall I show the picture of heart once again? This is the picture of heart. In this manner, the heart was divided into 4 chambers. First chamber, second chamber, third chamber, fourth chamber. This is right atrium. This is left atrium. It is right ventricle. It is left atrioventricle. In between the right ventricle and left ventricle and right atrium and left atrium, there is a walls. These are nothing but which divides the both chambers into 2 types is known as walls. This is nothing but apertures. Aperture means it was hole which was located in between the 2 chambers. We called it as aperture. Through the aperture only the blood pumping will take place from arteries and veins. In this manner, the pumping of blood will take place at heart. Are you understood? I hope you all are understood. Next, coming to blood capillaries. Do you know how the blood capillaries will pump blood in our heart and in our hands? Shall I show the reality in our see this? In this manner, the nerves came out. These nerves will send the blood to our hand. These are the structures. These are the nerves which travels blood to our fist. To know our pulse rate, we can use a stethoscope. And when you if you do this experiment, you will definitely know the stethoscope. without using stethoscope, we can know the pulse rate. Next, do you know how we will calculate heartbeat? We will calculate a heartbeat with the help of stethoscope. This all done by with a. Do you know what is the heartbeat rate of a human per a minute? The per a minute, the heartbeat rate is 72 heartbeats per 1 minute. This is the heartbeat rate of a human. In this manner, we can easily find out the pulse rate and heartbeat rate in a human with the help of stethoscope, and with the help of with our hands also we can easily find out. Next coming topic is transportation at plants. Are you understood the previous topic? I hope you all are understood the previous topic. The transportation in plants. Do you think how the transportation will occur in plants? Yes, the transportation in plants will occur with the help of the process of evapotranspiration. Evapotranspiration means the process of evaporating the water from the leaves of the plant is known as evapotranspiration. In this manner, the evapotranspiration will occur. Shall I show the picture of how the evapotranspiration will occur in the plants? This is the picture where the evapotranspiration will occur. It is root hair. Under the soil, the root hair will be present. On the root hair, this is a soil. From the soil onwards, the absorption takes place in the root hair. Through root hair onwards, the water which was absorbed by root hair, it travels through xylem. Xylem onwards, the water will be enter into phloem. It is here onwards the pumping of blood. Water will occur. Through the xylem vessels onwards, the evapotranspiration will occur. Means the water which was sended to upper level is known as evapotranspiration. In this manner, the evapotranspiration will occur through the process of evapotranspiration. The pumping of water will took place in transportation in plants. I hope you all are understood this topic. Next coming topic is root pressure. Root pressure. To understand betterly root pressure means we have to do an experiment. First of all, take a potted plant and cut the stem of that plant and keep a tube on the stem and pour water in the plant, in the potted plant, and observe, keeping that plant in the sunlight for 6 hours. We will observe that the water level which was presented on the stem will be increased. Through the root pressure only, the water level was increased. In this manner, we will know that the xylem vessels and phloem vessels will send the water through the xylem vessels. This root pressure, because of root pressure only, the water was sent to upper level. This is known as transportation occur in the plants. In this manner, the transportation will be occurred in the plants. I hope you all are understood this topic. Thank you for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.